Understanding Twilight Offers in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, Twilight Offers. This phrase isn't just about the words individually, but about the imagery and context they create together. So, let's dive in and unravel its meaning. Twilight refers to the time of day just after sunset, characterized by dim light. This period is often associated with mystery, transition, and beauty. The word offers suggests a presentation or a provision of opportunities or proposals. When combined, Twilight Offers invokes the idea of opportunities or scenarios that arise during a transitional or uncertain period. In everyday language, Twilight Offers might not be a common phrase, but understanding it can give you insight into how English speakers use metaphorical language. For example, if someone says, "The company made a twilight offer to its employees," it could imply an offer made during a period of uncertainty or change within the company. In literature, Twilight Offers can be rich in meaning. It might symbolize hope in a time of darkness, or opportunities that arise in the midst of change or uncertainty. This phrase beautifully blends the literal meaning of twilight and the figurative sense of offers, creating a vivid and imaginative concept. Let's practice with some sentences. 1. As the store was closing, they made a twilight offer on their remaining stock. 2. In the twilight of his career, the athlete received an offer to coach. Try creating your own sentences using Twilight Offers to see how you can play with its metaphorical meaning. And that's a wrap on Twilight Offers. I hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing phrase and its various applications in the English language. Remember, language is not just about words, but the imagery and ideas they convey. Keep exploring and have fun with English.